Hi guys, I'm Stephen Aguilar. I'm gonna discuss three topics which are why study local history, the second one, all history is local, and lastly, the importance of local history in the Philippine history by Henry F. Pantecha. So let's move on to why study local history. Unahin natin, bakit nga ba tinawag siyang local history? O ano nga ba yung study of local history? It is a study of history in geographically bounded areas as a region, a state, a country, a city, a town, a village, or even a neighborhood. So, back to the topic, why study local history? Bakit nga ba mahalaga ang local history sa panahon natin ngayon? It increases the interest in the larger subject of history. It gives the student a better sense of realism, which is true naman, which is masasabi natin na ang history isa sa mga nakakatulong sa mga estudyante gaya ko na kung saan nabibigyan kami ng mga idea o mga konting pahapyaw or konting kaalaman ukol sa mga nangyari nung kapanahonan noon gaya ng talambuhay ni Jose Rizal na kung saan kung gaano niya pinaglaban ang Pilipinas o ang kalayaan ng Pilipinas sa pamamagitan ng pagsulat gaya ni Andres Bonifacio at mga ibang bayani pa. It will encourage us preservation. It will make us aware of our own links to the past. So, gaya nga ng sinabi ko, nakakatulong to upang bigyan tayong daan o kaalaman ukol sa nangyari noong panahon. All history is local. So, I'm gonna discuss this on the next topic. Local histories help you understand ancestors in context. And lastly, local histories help shape who you are. So gaya nga ng napag-usapan natin noon about history, nakakatulong ang history sa kung ano tayo sa kasalukuyan. So the next topic is all history is local. Bakit nga ba tinawag na ang history ay isang local? O bakit ang mga ganun sabi ko, bakit nga bang history tinawag na local? It because everything that was done in the past was done in some place or other. So, it's true naman na lahat naman ng na nangyari noon ay hindi lang maaaring mangyari lang sa isang lugar. Hindi lang gaya ni Jose Rizal, hindi lang siya sa Pilipinas nagpakita ng angking galing, kundi halos buong mundo na ikot niya upang magbigay kaalaman o magbigay ng mensahe ukol sa mga nangyayari sa loob at labas ng ating bansa. So the last is the importance of local history in the Philippine history by Henry F. Pantecha. So local history is expectedly closest to the people's heart and consciousness because it reflects their own identity, experiences, and aspiration. It is interpretative recreation of the past of their locality, embracing its political, social, economic, and cultural life. This includes the development of the institution and geographical unit and the successes and failures of its people. Thus, in order to understand and consequently appreciate Philippine history, one should first know the history of his own locality and its contribution to regional development and overall nation building. One may never achieve a fuller understanding of the Filipinos and the Philippine if he failed to study the history of his own town, city, province, or region. Gaya nga sinabi ko kanina, ang local history matatagpuan o isang pag-aaral ukol sa isang town, city, province, or region ng isang lugar. So, upang mas malaman pa ang mga history ng bagay-bagay, maaaring unang alamin muna kung saan ka nagmula. So, yun lamang yung aking tatlong topic ukol sa what is a local history, all history is local, and lastly, the importance of local history in the Philippine history by Henry F. Pantecha. So, hi, I'm Stephen Aguilar, and this topic.